Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Eight stunning DIY pergola designs are presented, each crafted for a tiny backyard. These pergola ideas showcase how to transform small spaces into relaxing and stylish havens. Pergolas maximize space and add architectural interest, create a sense of privacy and intimacy in a compact outdoor area. Pergolas can be customized to fit your backyard size and style. Simple and minimalist designs emphasize clean lines and open spaces. Rustic charm utilize reclaimed wood and natural materials. Modern and sleek incorporate metal accents and geometric shapes. Key materials: wood, metal, or a combination of both. Essential tools: saw, drill, measuring tape, and level. Choosing the right size and location. Consider your backyard dimensions. Charming corner pergola, a cozy retreat with climbing plants. Hanging pergola, a unique and space-saving design. Compact patio pergola, a stylish cover for your outdoor furniture. Use vertical space, add climbing vines for shade and visual appeal. Lighting ideas: string lights, lanterns, and solar-powered options. Decorative accents, potted plants, cushions, and throws to personalize.
A wooden pergola with a swing, nestled within a lush garden. A swing hangs from the pergola, overlooking a well-maintained garden bed. The garden is colorful, with various plantings of flowers in shades of pink, purple, and yellow, as well as greenery. A paved patio area lies beneath the pergola, surrounded by stones, rocks, and mulch. Trees and shrubs create a backdrop of natural beauty. The lighting suggests a sunny day. Impressionistic style, with focus on the interplay of light and shadow and the textures of the plants and materials. Include detailed foliage and soft focus elements for depth. Wooden pergola, swing, and benches, rich brown tones.
A spacious, light-filled outdoor patio area leading down a series of stone steps to a manicured lawn. Wooden beams and posts support a covered patio with substantial, naturally toned wooden beams. The patio features a tan wicker sofa and chairs, a built-in barbecue, and potted plants. Stone walls and steps leading down provide a terraced effect, with various sizes and shapes of light tan and brown stones, creating a natural, layered look. Lush green plants, including leafy foliage and a vibrant red/purple leaf tree, surround the patio and steps. Tall, slender trees form a backdrop, casting dappled shade. A serene outdoor space featuring a wooden pergola swing set nestled within a meticulously landscaped garden. The pergola is constructed of dark gray wood, supported by substantial pillars. Its roof is covered with slatted beams, providing shade. A swing with a simple wooden frame and two light beige patterned throw pillows hangs from the pergola, inviting relaxation. The garden is filled with a variety of plants, including vibrant green shrubs, tall evergreens, and reddish-brown foliage, creating a lush and textured backdrop. The ground features a mix of gravel and flagstone pavers, creating a pathway and a sense of order. Natural light bathes the scene. A pergola with a patterned metal roof, providing shade over a lush garden. The roof is made of dark gray metal panels, intricately cut with geometric and floral designs, casting dappled light and shadow on the greenery below. The pergola supports are dark brown, giving a rustic impression. The garden is filled with vibrant green foliage, trees with large leaves, bushes, and other plants. The light filtering through the pergola creates a soft, diffused ambience. The image is impressionistic, but with a focus on detail in the patterns and shadows, capturing the interplay of light and dark. A lush, meticulously landscaped backyard patio under a wooden pergola. Hyper-realistic rendering. Wooden pergola with slatted roof, providing shade. Hanging ferns cascade down from the pergola. Several medium-sized trees and shrubs. A dark gray/black wooden slat-style seating area with cushions, similar patio furniture set in a complementary design style. Stone-colored patio paving stones with a subtle texture, grass growing in between the stonework. A brick privacy wall in a light brown/beige tone. Rich greens, browns, grays, and beiges dominate the color palette. Natural light streams through the pergola's slats, casting dappled shadows on the ground and plants. A sun-drenched outdoor pergola, featuring a light beige and cream color palette. Wooden slats and beams create a warm, natural aesthetic, with a series of wooden shelves displaying various potted greenery, including ferns, palm trees, and other tropical plants. The shelves are constructed with light beige/tan wooden slats, and the pots are various shapes and sizes. A long, light beige/cream wooden bench with matching cushions sits under the pergola, providing a relaxing seating area. An outdoor wooden table and chairs are also visible, contributing to the calm and inviting atmosphere. Sunlight streams through the pergola creating shadows on the wooden surfaces, adding depth and texture to the scene. A cozy outdoor seating area under a wooden pergola at dusk. Hyper-realistic rendering. The pergola is supported by brown wooden beams with string lights hanging down casting a warm glow. The seating area includes a light brown wooden sofa with light beige/gray cushions and a small wooden coffee table. The ground is covered with small, light brown pebbles. Lush greenery, including various foliage and vines, surrounds the seating area, and a beige wall is visible in the background. Warm, golden-toned lighting highlights the plants and seating area, with darker shadows in the background, creating a sense of depth and ambience. A wooden pergola with a slatted screen, featuring vertical moss walls. Daylight, impressionist aesthetic. Dark gray-black horizontal wooden fence panels behind the pergola. The pergola's beams and posts are dark brown wood, the slatted screen is a light reddish-brown wood. Moss walls are vibrant lime green and varying shades of yellow-green, creating vertical gardens against the dark fence. Various cacti, succulents, and other desert-style plants are visible amongst the moss. Light beige/tan gravel or small stones form a ground cover underneath the pergola. Paths of dark gray stone lead into the scene, lined with low-lying greenery and shrubs in shades of green, gray, and brown. A lush, vibrant backyard patio seen under a wooden pergola. A pergola with dark brown wooden beams supports hanging ferns and other lush greenery, creating a verdant wall effect. The patio has a stone paver surface, with a brown wicker sofa, armchairs, and coffee table. Purple and pink flowers, along with greenery, fill the space around the seating area. A light yellow wooden fence borders the patio. Details include the rich greens of the foliage, the warm brown of the wood and wicker, the pops of purple and pink flowers, and the natural light filtering through the trees. A vibrant, hyper-realistic garden scene featuring a wooden archway pergola covered in lush green vines. The archway spans a paved pathway of light gray/beige square bricks, leading into a sun-drenched garden filled with various flowering bushes and plants in soft pinks, purples, and whites. Intricate details are visible on the leaves of the plants, and the flowers have realistic textures. The background includes trees in various shades of green, creating depth and dimension to the scene, with a soft, diffused light suggesting a sunny day. Include detailed, realistic textures in the plants, flowers, and stones. A mix of different rose varieties including light pink and slightly darker variants. A vibrant, hyper-realistic garden scene featuring a wooden archway pergola covered in lush green vines. The archway spans a paved pathway of light gray/beige square bricks, leading into a sun-drenched garden filled with various flowering bushes and plants in soft pinks, purples, and whites.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.